we basically live in and out of hotels. So door dashing, hotel restaurants, fast food, not only does it get old after a while, it gets pretty expensive. So one thing that we have started to incorporate in our luggage is always bringing this guy with us, our little air fryer. So today we're gonna make my favorite, my go-to like lunch is chicken quesadillas. So I'm gonna make it in the air fryer, show you how I do it, and it's super simple and easy. So I just use these air fryer liners so that it's easy cleanup. I can just take it out when I'm done, throw it away. Don't have to worry about washing the air fryer pan. So I do it on one of these liners. I just got these off Amazon. And basically, we just need our cheese. I just used some rotisserie chicken that I pulled apart the other day, and our tortillas. If you bring an air fryer into a hotel, one thing that we learned real quick is you don't want to cook anything more than 5 to 10 minutes because there's no ventilation in here. There's, you know, just like there's not a fan. I will sometimes, like it's freezing right now, like try to open a window or something, I've even done it in the bathroom just because there's a fan in the bathroom. But if you cook something like these quesadillas within like usually about 7 minutes I cook them for, maybe 8 minutes. It's usually not too bad, but I tried to cook salmon in our hotel and it made the fire extinguisher go off. The whole room smelled like fish, first of all, so I definitely do not recommend doing that. And then the hotel staff came in because the fire alarm was going off, and so you just want to like take your chicken, we're just going to shred it, nice. Beautiful here. No, so the hotel staff came and it was like, I'm like, there's no fire. AJ's like trying to open the window. I'm like waving a towel like a crazy lady, trying to get the smoke to go outside. And the thing is, if you've ever set off a fire alarm in a hotel, it's not like the one at your house where you just disconnect the battery or, you know, just take it off and it'll turn off. The maintenance guy had to come and take it to go reset it. And the funny thing is he had to bring it back 3 different times because there was so much smoke in our room. Every time he brought it back and rehooked it up to the ceiling, it would go off again, and it's so loud. It was like so embarrassing. It was pretty funny. But yeah, so we don't want to do that anymore. I learned my lesson. So we just cook quick dinners. Now, if we are staying at like a Home 2 Suites or like a hotel that has like a kitchenette built in, then for sure, like I'll cook, you know, I'll cook salmon or chicken or whatever, because they have like actual kitchen. It's like set up for that. All right, we'll give a little bit to toast. There you go. You eat that for me. Use my little vacuum. All right, so we have our tortilla here with our chicken and our cheese. And then I just add a little more cheese on top. If I was making this for AJ, I would put a ton more cheese, but since it's for me, I don't do a ton of cheese, so that's perfect. Toast loves to get in there, so we're going to put the other tortilla on top, smush it down. Okay, and I just place it in the air fryer. Stick that in there. And let's see. I usually take it down to like 350, and then usually about 7-8 minutes. But I have to check it because sometimes the tortilla will fly up in there. So we'll start with 7 minutes. All right, so we're just gonna check it. And oh yeah, that looks perfect for me. I don't like it too crispy. All right, so you have it here. Just very carefully. This little paper usually isn't hot. I just take it out, put it there, stick it on my plate, and just throw this away. Your air fryer is nice and clean. I just cut it into 4s, and then you can just pull it apart. You can add salsa if you want. It's delicious. But it is a little hot. Thanks for watching.